Affiliate marketing is a business model that allows you to promote other people's products or services and get paid a commission when someone clicks on your affiliate link and purchase that product or service. Basically, you get paid a piece of the pie of the money. As a matter of fact, in most affiliate program, you get paid more than a piece of a pie. You get paid by basically talking about someone else's products or service. With affiliate marketing, it's honestly optional to show your face or not. You can choose to show your face, you can choose to go faceless. So in a nutshell, this is how the system works. You post about a product or a service on your platform, a customer clicks on your unique link, the customer is sent to the ABC store through your affiliate link, the person makes a purchase of that product on the store. The affiliate network records the purchase and details of the transaction. The transaction is credited. You get paid your commission, rinse and repeat. And the circle continues when another person clicks on the link. So if you really want to be successful as an affiliate marketer, then you want to answer these questions. I asked you to get your notepad and your pen. Number one, what product do I want to promote? Who is my target audience? Where is my target audience? TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest. How do I get their attention and make them buy this product? I promise you, if you answer those questions correctly and intentionally, you are on your way to making passive income weekly. These are questions I answered myself. So this video will help you answer those questions. If you